If your CM5418 steam wand isn't producing steam or the hot water function isn't working, don't worry. We're here to help. In this video, I'll show you simple and effective solutions and explain what causes this problem and how to prevent it. This issue usually happens when the steam pathways are clogged. If no steam comes out, it could be due to milk residues or limescale buildup inside the pipes. Milk residue can dry up and cause blockages if the steam wand isn't cleaned right after use. Minerals in the water can also build up over time, creating scale that blocks steam flow. To avoid these issues, always clean the steam wand thoroughly after each use and perform regular maintenance to prevent milk residue from drying up. Here's what you can do if you run into this problem. Take the cleaning needle that comes with your CM5418 and gently insert it into the steam wand's nozzle. Move it back and forth 2 to 3 times to help clear the blockage. Next, turn the steam knob to the water position and let hot water flush out any clogs in the pipes. If the steam wand is still severely clogged, unscrew the steam nozzle, place it in boiling water for a few minutes, and then use the cleaning needle to clear any remaining debris. Once you've done this, your steam wand and hot water functions should work normally again. By regularly cleaning the steam wand and performing maintenance, you can prevent blockages and keep your CM5418 running smoothly.